In our previous videos, we discussed about the importance of play to earn projects. But still, in entire crypto market, not as much play to earn projects introduced yet. But after meme coins hype, surely NFTs and play to earn plans will work. In this video, we will discuss about new play to earn project, and the best part, this entire project is in IDO mode. So we can take some more advantage from it. Stay tuned.
Feel uninvited.
Starting with a survey. According to a survey in 2021, there were almost 1.48 billion gamers across Asia, making it the largest market for video gaming worldwide, with Europe coming in second place with a gaming audience of 715 million in total. There were an estimated 3.24 billion gamers across the globe. That is a huge thing. Now we are going to discuss something about the Dragon Card. What is Dragon Card all about and how you can participate in its IDO. So first of all, Dragon Kart is a 3D racing esport game built on the blockchain platform. The characters in the game are taken from a Pika series by a Vietnamese well-known artist named Thang Fly. Now who's Thang Fly? I will surely share it with you. Here you can see the main website of the Dragon Kart. Now the question here is, what type of game Dragon Kart is? Dragon Kart is considered as an arena of game where it requires the players to combine their driving skills with the use of individual character skills. In addition, on each track there will be mystery boxes with which participants will be allowed to receive a new weapon to help you gain an advantage and win the races. In simple words, it's a esports game, a racing game where you and any other participant can play this game, and you will be able to collect some mystery boxes, and with the help of those mystery boxes you can win this game and earn some amount of the card token. And surely the marketplace is NFT universe where the racers converge. Thousands of fabulous NFTs are waiting for us. Here you can see the entire NFTs, and the marketplace will be live soon. Now, where the IDO is ongoing, on the launch zone, because every time I participated in all the IDOs on the launch zone. Right now this IDO, Cart IDO, is ongoing, and we have the chance to purchase this altcoin in only $0.16. Here you can see the main interface of their game, and very soon you have the chance to play this game with the help of card tokens, where you can select your own map and then you can select the game mode, and after selecting all these things simply click on the next, and here you can see the option of the character. You can choose your own character, and even you can choose your own car for the race. It's one of the best thing, and only by playing this game you have the chance to make some amount of the card tokens. And after selecting your character and also your car, simply click on the next icon, and after clicking on the next icon, then here you can see the map, game mode, your character, your car, and then simply click on the play icon and you can play this game. The best part why I love the most launch zone pad, because we don't have to store number of LZ coins, or secondly we don't have to stake as much coins for participating in the IDO on the launch zone. Only and only we have to purchase some amount of coins, and easily we can participate in any ongoing IDO. Right now number of IDOs are ongoing on the launch pad of the launch zone. And here you can see the Dragon Card. Only 5 days left, and we have the chance to participate in this IDO with the help of LZ. And also they are giving another option, that is BUSD. Here you can see participating tokens, LZ and BUSD. Now, how you can participate in a huge IDO, that is a big thing. But before that, something about this game. Thankfly. What is Thankfly? Thankfly is a legendary name in the Vietnamese comic series field. He is the author of the Picalong, a well-known comic series which has inspired many products such as toys, games, decorations, animated movies. Vietnam. The name Picalong has been a symbolic meme of millions Vietnamese after the series caught viral and became a hot trend among the youth. Thankfly is now an artist influencer with 1.4 million plus followers on Facebook and has been featured on notable Vietnamese media sites. So basically it is all about the game Dragon Card. So what do you think about this game? Do let me know in the comment section. Now something about important about the tokenomics. We are going to check out the entire tokenomics. What type of tokenomics they are sharing with us. The supply is not as much, so surely this coin will give us at least up to 20x at least after the IDO. So how you can participate? It's very simple. I will share the link with all of you in the comment section. So simply you have to click over there, then enter your email address, password, confirm password, and after doing all those things, then you only have to connect your wallet over here, and after connecting your wallet, then you have to go directly on the server board. Then you have to click on the whitelist and you will get the option of about 3 to 4 IDOs. Simply click on the Dragon Card and then enter your email address by which you sign up on the dragoncard.lz.finance. Simply enter your email address, then you have the chance to participate in this huge IDO. What do you think about the launch zone and also about the Dragon Card play to earn plan? Because my own idea that this entire IDO will give us some good returns. And if you are participating in the launch zone IDOs with me every time, do share with me in the comment section. Thanks a lot.